Machine learning is one of the fastest growing fields today. Data scientists use machine learning to predict the future, enabling them to forecast sales, understand user behavior, and identify potential market segments. Companies crave machine learning products, and there's an ever-increasing demand for engineers and data scientists who are able to deploy machine learning models for a global audience. In the Intro to Machine Learning Nanodegree program, you'll learn foundational machine learning algorithms, starting with cleaning data and building supervised learning models. You'll then move on to exploring deep learning and unsupervised learning. At each step, you'll gain practical experience by applying your skills to code exercises and projects. If you have experience in Python but haven't yet studied machine learning, the Intro to Machine Learning Nanodegree program is a killer intro to a fascinating world. To support your learning journey, you'll have access to a dedicated mentor and career services. You'll also complete portfolio-ready real-world projects.
I highly recommend you to start machine learning today. You will find your dream job, but most of all, you'll learn a fascinating new skill, how to make computers really smart.
Are you ready to take your first steps in machine learning? To learn how to make machine learning products at scale? Are you ready to deploy machine learning to predict the future? Enroll in the Intro to Machine Learning Nanodegree program today.